Yeah, I spilled some bleach on my mask, but it's whatever. So it is the next day. So that would make today Sunday. Tomorrow is Labor Day. I think it's Labor Day. Tomorrow's Labor Day. So anyway, y'all, y'all can't really see me because I've already put this up here. But I'm at HEB, Bailey's with her grandparents. They came down from Killeen along with all her aunts. She only got two, but with her two aunts. So they're with, that's where Bailey is right now. They taking her to just do stuff or whatever. And I'm about to run an HEB because we need some milk and bread. And I also am very hungry because it's 1:30 p.m. I'm gonna grab me some In-N-Out burger. So that's what we are about to do. Y'all, I wanted to show y'all my cute little keychain. Like, I got this part from Amazon, y'all, and this is like really heavy. But I hope it, let me turn the air down because I know it's like really loud. There we go. So yeah, I got the keychain, this Volkswagen piece from Amazon. It's like really heavy and I like it a lot. And then I got this little pouch and it has a cute little butterfly on it to keep my hand sanitizer in from Bath and Body Works, y'all. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that because I know I was supposed to show y'all everything I bought from Bath and Body Works yesterday and I didn't. So yeah. So I'm about to go in here, get some bread and some milk because we don't have either of those. Okay, you guys, so ooh, I look, yeah. So me and my sister at this food truck. Oh yeah, and Bailey, she over there. We at this food truck place in Pflugerville, and I'm so hot. Like, I need this place to open and start serving food already because it's too hot for all of this. Way too hot for all of this, y'all. But I didn't want no regular fast food today. I wanted something, where the sun at? I wanted something different. So that's what we having, is something different. So hot. Hot out. Because you got it twisted. Alright, you guys, so we are, oh, it's a brand new day and it's Labor Day. Bailey, what are you doing? We are about to go walking around the Lady Bird Lake in Austin, which I've never done before. I've never been to Lady Bird Lake. Wait, okay. I've never been to Lady Bird Lake ever. Because, well, there's really no reason, but I've just never been here. This is my first time. This is Bailey's first time. Of course, this is like my sister's forever time. Bailey, what are you doing? Leave it. Move so I can shut the door. Why my car say Tennessee? Oh, built in Chattanooga, Tennessee. That's so cool. Alright, but yeah, so this is where we are at. This is downtown Austin, y'all. Downtown Austin. Oh, let me lock my car. So yeah, so we about to just explore. Y'all know I get the sun rash, the little bumpies on my skin, so I had to wear some long sleeves. Make sure I'm good. Hold on. Yeah, it's about to be an adventure. We got our backpacks. It's about to be a little fun time. Never done this before. Ooh. 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 Oh, you have to walk on this side.
Out by the street.
Yeah, look at this. So pretty. Pretty. All of this is downtown Austin. Where are we going?
Now, you want to go left or right?
It don't really matter.
Huh?
I said it doesn't matter.
Okay. We'll go this way.
It's pretty, but of course it's Texas, so
On this side.
it's hot. Really hot. Woo! I've seen this from like a distance, but never like been to it, so it's pretty cool. Look, there's a lake. They got people in canoes. Once I get over my fear of water, that would be so fun.
How did you do that?
But I ain't there yet.
Those are canoes.
Pick it out. They just floating.
Hey, clean up.
Yeah, they need to clean this. But yeah, look at all these turtles. How cool.
I see the baby.
Mm-hmm. Look at,
They're moving.
this lake is disgusting. Cause yeah, I don't know. How do you clean a lake?
You don't.
There has to be a
It's so
way.
nasty.
There has to be a way you like take care of
Wait,
it.
the other one is the
Because,
baby.
but yeah, look how pretty this is. This is Lady Bird Lake in downtown Austin.
It smells good in here.
It smells good right here, yeah. The other way though was a little not so great. But yeah, so we're just taking a little family stroll,
The boats.
spending some time together. It must be their apartments boats.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
I want to be living like this.
With a boat?
Definitely. Huh?
With a boat?
No, I'm just like downtown living.
Yeah, well,
I think I deserve it. Someone left a mini baby.
don't touch it. Y'all know what's on
I'm
it.
not touching it.
Just saying.
Come here, baby.
There's sharks in
There's
there.
not-
No, there's no sharks. This is a man-made lake. It's, right, it's a man-made lake. I'm pretty sure.
Man-made lake.
I think so, ain't it?
I don't think so. I think it's natural.
Is it? Well, either way, ain't no
That's a lot
sharks.
of water if it's a man-made lake.
That don't mean nothing. You know that there's a lake in Georgia. It's ginormous.
Yeah.
It's a man-made lake, but that's because it used to be a town.
Oh yeah, I heard. No, I heard about that.
The one all those people be dying in.
Yeah.
Yeah, they say it has
Isn't that where that actually-
water spirits. No, that was in California. I'm talking about the one in Georgia. You remember Usher's stepson?
yeah.
Y'all, I feel like we've been walking for 30 minutes on this one bridge.
Wanna go stand at the pier?
Is this up here? Hold on, what did it say over there? I took y'all off the tripod.
At the pier.
No,
Okay.
I just look at the map.
This is the map. The animals that are over here. Let's see, they got a Mexican free-tailed bat. Okay. Dragonflies. They got some kind of frog. a largemouth bass.
And a fish.
Yeah, and turtles. Yeah. Don't mind all the graffiti all over here.
What's this?
Awesome. Be easy. Girl, I don't know.
Wait.
Yeah. Bailey must be ready to go back to the car or something.
Bailey, you ready to go to the car? You ready to go to the car?
No? Then why you walking so fast? You gotta slow down. You gotta slow down. So mommy can catch up with you, girl. Woo! So, that takes us by I-35. And this takes us by the Arch. Zyker.
Whichever way you want to go.
Which way takes us back to the car? That's the way I want to
That
go.
way. Well, you still want to walk?
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Well, let her tire herself out. She might sleep to the next day.
Well, she ain't got no choice but to sleep to the next day because she got to go to school tomorrow. Well, daycare. No, actually, the daycare is bringing the pre-kindergarten teacher because that's when AISD starts.
Yeah.
So, slow down. They start school tomorrow. AISD does. No.
I don't know. This.
Whew, y'all.
Get your workout on. I know I dropped over 5 pounds.
I already went to the gym today, so
That's what I was going to do.
this is like double. What are you doing? Yes, I had already went to the gym earlier, like this morning. I guess everybody was at the gym earlier this morning. And so this is like workout number 2. Unintentionally, of course. Oh, y'all. I don't know how far I walked, but I know I'm be exhausted. So exhausted after this is all said and done. They just left me. Yeah, they really left me. They all the way, let's see if I can zoom in. All the way up there. It's a good 20 feet. I know it's blurry for y'all. It's a good 20 feet. Maybe even 100. I don't know. I don't know. Oh yeah. Let me focus.